Hello guys, Damien Jones here again for you today. Well, this is just a bit of a drop-in basically to say hello and stuff. Now, a few weeks ago they started to say on the news that there was going to be snow, a lot of snow going on all up and down the country. But as usual, I went and said that it wasn't going to happen here. No, it wasn't going to happen here. Not at all. The last time I saw snow round here was about 4 years ago. And I haven't seen any snow since, living down here in the south in Sussex. Because we're usually protected by the downs. Well, everyone was like, it's coming, it's going to snow, it's terrible, and all of this. And I'm like, no, it won't happen, it won't happen. Well, it's gone and bloody well happened. So, let's go outside and see this awful bastard weather. I hope this can be picked up. Don't even know that can be picked up in this shit. Well, Casey's excited, she can see it. I can see it as well. It's all over me. I hate the snow.
I love the snow.
She loves the snow because it's a novelty to her. I hate the snow because I'm from the bloody north and I know what it's like. So, there we go. Snow. Ha ha ha. It's absolutely snowing like the Antarctic out there. So, that's it. That's it. Oh well, there you go. Only a quick one. See you very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.